Okay, class, good morning. So, today we are going to study the third chapter of your English Gulmohar, that is the lost laugh. So, laugh, it means hasna, okay, and lost, it means खो जाना, ठीक है. So, the title means भूली हुई हंसी, खोई हुई हंसी, ठीक है. Haina was very sad. He had lost his laugh. Now, what is this word hyena? So, you can see here, hyena is a wild animal that looks like a dog. Fine? Hyena, this is the picture of a hyena. This and this. Alright? So, hyena went to giraffe. Please help me. So, this hyena went to the giraffe and he said, please help me find my laugh. Giraffe, he said, okay. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. Alright, so this giraffe, she lifted her neck, उसने अपना neck और ऊंचा कर लिया, and she was looking around the tree tops. Tree tops means the highest tree का सबसे ऊंचा part. Alright, I can't hear a laugh of here, hyena, she said. So the giraffe said, I can't hear a laugh up here. So she is saying कि मैंने यहाँ पे कोई हंसी नहीं देखी. Then hyena saw a hippo swimming in the lake. So then this hyena, she goes to a hippo. Hippo is hippopotamus. Okay, and it was swimming in a lake. Please help me find my laugh, hippo, he said. So again this hyena requested the hippo that please help me find my laugh. Please मुझे मेरी हंसी खोजने में मेरी मदद करो. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here, she said. So the hippo looked down the water. उसने पानी के अंदर देखा पर उसे वहाँ भी उसकी हंसी नहीं मिली. Sorry for the sound. The air is really breezy. So then the hyena went to the elephant. Okay, and then the hyena said to the elephant that please help me find my laugh. So this hyena says to the elephant that please help me find my laugh. All right, so this elephant, what it did, it flapped its big ears. Okay, it flapped its big ears and said, I cannot hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, hyena. Okay, so the hyena was again upset. एलिफेंट ने बोला कि मुझे तुम्हारी हंसी सुनाई नहीं दे रही, मैंने सुनने की कोशिश की पर मुझे कहीं सुनाई नहीं दिया. Then finally the hyena went to the monkey and it said, please help me find my laugh, monkey. So the monkey says, how did you lose it, hyena? How did you lose it? Now this word lose means again खो जाना, भुला जाना, ठीक है. Asked monkey swinging from a branch. Okay, so flapped also, let me tell you, this word flapped, it means to move something up and down quickly, making a noise. All right, and swinging, this word swinging means hanging from something and moving side to side, झूलना जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. Okay, so the monkey was swinging from one branch to the other. Fine. When I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, said hyena, so they ran away. This made me sad, so my laugh disappeared. So now hyena is saying that how did its laugh disappear. hyena बोलता है कि मुझे हंसी आई तो सबने मेरे बड़े बड़े दांत देखे, दे सॉ माई बिग टीथ, लेकिन वो लोग डर गए. दे गॉट स्कैर्ड. स्कैर्ड मीन्स डर जाना. ऑलराइट, और डर के मारे वो लोग सब भाग गए और इस वजह से मैं सैड हो गया. आई बिकेम अपसेट एंड सो माई लाफ disappeared. मेरी laugh जो है, मेरी हंसी जो है वो गुम गई. All right. Ah, then you are looking for it in the wrong places, said Monkey. He jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Then he began to tickle Hyena all over. Then the monkey says कि तुम गलत जगह पे अपनी हंसी खोज रहे हो, और वो ब्रांच से नीचे उतरा. The monkey came down and he took a feather. Okay? Feather is a soft part that covers a bird's skin. Okay? And started to tickle, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं गुदगुदी करना. Okay? So that is the meaning of tickle. Okay? So he did it very lightly so that the person starts laughing. Or obviously when somebody कोई गुदगुदी करता है तो हमें हंसी आ जाती है, right? The same happened with the hyena also, and slowly the hyena started to smile, and then he let out. Let out means he made a sound to show pain, laughter or सरप्राइज, बट हेयर इट वॉज लाफ्टर. ओके, तो वो अपनी हंसी फिर वो ज़ोर ज़ोर से ठहाके मार के हंसने लगा हाइना. ठीक है. एंड इट बिगैन रोलिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड. यू कैन सी हेयर इन द पिक्चर it started rolling, and the hyena is also laughing, and the monkey is tickling it, right? So now moving forward, all the other animals heard hyena's laugh. तो बाकी animals ने hyena की हंसी सुनी. they came running. तो सब दौड़ते हुए आए. Where did you find his laugh? They asked monkey. His laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy and it came out. The other animals were happy to hear this, so they laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. I'll never lose my laugh again, said hyena happily. So what happened कि जब hyena हंसने लगा ज़ोर ज़ोर से, the hyena started laughing. So other animals, the elephant, the giraffe, the hippo, they all also heard. So they all came running. सब दौड़ते हुए आए और उन्होंने monkey से पूछा. They asked the monkey that where did you find his laugh? तुम्हें इसकी हंसी कहाँ मिली? So the monkey says that his laugh was inside him only. इसकी हंसी इसके पास ही थी, बस मैंने इसे खुश कर दिया, मैंने इसे हैप्पी कर दिया, एंड द लाफ्टर केम आउट. वो हंसी बाहर आ गई. सो द अदर एनिमल्स वर वेरी हैप्पी. सब लोग बहुत खुश हुए ये सुन के, और फिर वो लोग भी ज़ोर ज़ोर से हंसने लगे. दे ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड लाफिंग आउट लाउडली सो दैट everyone's teeth started showing. And in the last, hyena said that I will never lose my laugh again. मैं फिर से कभी अपनी हंसी नहीं खोऊंगा. So that's the end of this chapter.